Hello, my name is Candy. I am 16 years old. I want to tell you about my new phone. I got an iPhone. Before you engage with the story, we have an amazing good news for you. Find your luck in the story and tell us in comment. Today is a day I will never forget. I woke up feeling excited because it was my birthday. Little did I know that it would become the happiest and most surprising day of my life. Let me tell you my story of how I ended up with the new iPhone 16 Pro Max in my hands. The day started with my family bursting into my room singing, "Happy Birthday!" They carried a tray with a small cake topped with candles. I laughed and made a wish before blowing the candles out. My wish? It was a secret, but I'll give you a hint. It had something to do with a special gift I'd been dreaming about for months. After breakfast, my parents handed me a beautifully wrapped box. My heart raced as I unwrapped it. Inside was not the iPhone 16 Pro Max, but a lovely new pair of headphones. I thanked them warmly because the headphones were amazing, even though they were not exactly what I'd hoped for. My parents smiled, and I could see in their eyes that they were happy to see me enjoying my birthday. I went to school, where my friends had planned a small celebration for me. They decorated my desk with balloons and brought cupcakes to share with everyone in class. My best friend Lisa handed me a small box. "Open it," she said eagerly. I unwrapped it and found a charm bracelet with tiny little charms, each one representing something about me: a book, a coffee cup, and a heart. It was thoughtful and touching. After school, Lisa and I decided to hang out at the park. We talked about everything: school, our dreams, and of course, the latest technology. "Can you believe the iPhone 16 Pro Max just came out?" Lisa said, her eyes lighting up. "It's like the most advanced phone ever. The AI camera alone is insane." I nodded and sighed. "I know. I've been dreaming about it, but it's way too expensive. There's no way I could get one." Lisa patted my shoulder. "Hey, maybe someday. You never know what surprises life has for you." When I got home, my grandparents were waiting for me. Grandpa handed me a card with a sweet message and a $50 bill inside. "Buy yourself something special, Candy," he said with a wink. Dinner that night was a feast. My mom had made all my favorite dishes: pasta, garlic bread, and a big chocolate cake for dessert. The dining table was filled with laughter, love, and stories from my family. It felt perfect, but there was still no sign of an iPhone. Then, just as I thought the day was over, my dad walked in with another box. This one was larger than the first gift. He placed it in front of me and said, "We have one last surprise for you, Candy." My heart skipped a beat. Could it be? I carefully opened the box, and there it was, the sleek, shiny iPhone 16 Pro Max. My jaw dropped, and for a moment I couldn't believe it was real. "Is this for me?" I asked, still in shock. "Is this for me?" "It's yours," my mom said, smiling. "You've worked so hard this year, Candy. You've been amazing at school, helping at home, and being such a kind person. You deserve it." I held the phone in my hands, admiring its smooth surface and the glowing Apple logo on the back. Tears welled up in my eyes as I looked at my family. "Thank you so much. I don't even know what to say." That night, I stayed up exploring my new iPhone. The features were incredible: an AI camera that could take photos that looked like professional portraits, a holographic display, and a voice assistant that felt more like a friend. I couldn't stop smiling as I set up the phone, transferred my data, and customized everything to make it mine. The next morning, I couldn't wait to show Lisa. When she saw it, she squealed with excitement. "No way! You actually got the iPhone 16 Pro Max? That's insane." I told her the whole story and she laughed at how I had no idea my parents had planned such a huge surprise. We spent the entire day testing out the phone's features. We took selfies, recorded funny videos, and even tried out the augmented reality apps. It felt like a dream come true. As the days went by, the iPhone became more than just a device. It became a way to capture memories with my friends and family, stay connected with everyone I cared about, and even help me with school projects. The phone's advanced AI helped me organize my schedule, create presentations, and even learn new skills like photography. One day, while scrolling through my photos, I realized something important. The phone was amazing, yes, but what truly mattered were the people who made the moment special. My family's love, Lisa's friendship, and the little celebrations all came together to make my birthday unforgettable. This iPhone 16 Pro Max may be the coolest gadget out there, but the real treasure is the love and support of the people around me. That's what truly makes me happy, and as I write this story on my amazing new phone, I want everyone to know that dreams can come true, sometimes in the most surprising ways.